Hi, welcome back to Keto Over 50. I'm RJ. Today, I have two treats for you. One is something that's so essential that I can't believe I let it slide this long. The other is, it is my 3-year Ketoversary. I went on keto in 2022 and immediately lost like 25 pounds over the next few months. And I have been at it ever since. And I just absolutely love it. But let me tell you something. I'm going to make this recipe that a friend sent me this morning on Pinterest. And I called him up. I said, that is so easy. And it looks so good. And it could work for meal prep because I'm sure it would freeze great. So I'm going to get to that in just a second. Thank you for joining me today. I am so grateful. You really helped my channel. Give it a thumbs up if you're enjoying the content as we get into it. So I started after 3 years on keto, waking up in the middle of the night with leg cramps. Well, I know that's potassium deficiency, right? Potassium and magnesium. But I take magnesium every day. I take a 10-in-1 magnesium tablet. So I thought I have to take more potassium. Most potassium tablets only have 99 milligrams, and you need 1,000 milligrams a day. So I went on Amazon and I went looking and I found one that I really love. And it is, I will show you right here. I'll pull up a picture of it. And it comes in about 12 flavors, including black tea with ginseng, black tea flavor with hibiscus, plain hibiscus, tangerine, pineapple, orange pineapple, all kinds of flavors. Well, I bought watermelon. And you mix it with 16 ounces of water. And I bought this wonderful beaker with a handle. I just absolutely love it. And I can drink just like this. I thought for iced lattes and because I have big plastic tumblers and, you know, we're trying to get away from plastic. Of course, I can always use a straw with it and I'm right back at square one. Also, the water comes out of my refrigerator. The filtered water comes out through a plastic hose. So we just do the best we can with what we've got, right? So I measured 16 ounces in there, and usually what I'll do is I'll just froth it with my coffee frother, and it's ready to go. And then I'll put some ice cubes in it. And I have to tell you, it's so good. But today I ran to the store to get a few things for this recipe, and I usually don't buy the prepackaged watermelon, but I only want to use a few pieces. So I'm going to put some watermelon in here, just 2 pieces. We're allowed to have a little bit of watermelon. One of the things I found, I really want a smaller piece. One of the things that I found is when I eat it, it makes me hungrier because there is some natural sugar in it. So I really use it sparingly. So I put the, I put the watermelon in with my electrolyte powder, which is all dissolved already. And I have some ice here because I like it really cold. I would normally just add the ice after I've mixed the powder in. But since I'm going to blend it, I'm going to add the ice now. And I'll have a nice frothy electrolyte powder. Don't drink this too late in the day. It will make you want to go to the bathroom. You have to go pee a lot. I've made it once before with a strawberry, a fresh strawberry in it. But this is the first time I'm trying it with actual watermelon in it. Oh, gosh, look at that. It's just beautiful. Oh. trying to be neat. Every time I try to be neat, I make a bigger mess. There we go. So how simple is that? A beautiful, frothy electrolyte powder. And like I said, it comes in so many flavors. I'll show you here a few of them. Do I have an electrolyte mustache? It's delicious and it's not salty and it's got 1,000 milligrams of potassium in it. So I wanted to share that with you because it's my Ketoversary